Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Middle Markets Breakdown Analysis for Monday, the 20th of March 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and we'll show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So before we start the breakdown, we're just going to have a quick look on the weekly time frame, and what we can see is the first weekly candle for March has formed resistance around 163.590. And obviously the previous weekly candle tapped into this weekly resistance and then broke the low and tapped into this weekly support that was formed in February 2023. Now, when you look at the monthly candle, however, what we can see is this monthly candle pulled all the way to around 158,500, almost tapping into this monthly support. Obviously, the current monthly candle is still respecting the previous monthly low and high. Now, to break down the analysis, what we can see is the Friday daily candle closed bearish, breaking below this daily support that was formed on Thursday and forming a new daily resistance around 161,860. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see is we've got the most recent 4-hour support at 160,490. The most recent 4-hour resistance is around 161. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, and we have a same level of resistance, but we have a new level of support around 162.50. So here's the thing, price tried to break below, then the next candle didn't break the low and closed back in the range, and now price is just consolidating. So our support can be adjusted to 160, 260, 250, and then dropping down to the 30-minute and the 50-minute time frame, we have a same level of support and resistance. So this could be possibly our no trade zone. So this is going to be the no trade zone as mentioned. We're just going to put the box in here, the rectangle. There we go. Now, to break down the chart, we need to go back to the daily again, and what we can see is we've got the most recent daily resistance around 161,890. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour resistance, but we also have this 4-hour support around 4-hour previous support around 161,530. We're just going to adjust this here. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, now that lines up with this hourly resistance around 161,550. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, at the same level of resistance as well as the 15-minute time frame. The first target would be 161,550, targeting this 1-hour resistance. Our second target, going back to the daily, what we can see is we've got this daily resistance formed at 161,890. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, that lines up with the 4-hour resistance and the hourly resistance, the 30-minute and the 15-minute. I believe we've had that fake out in here. So our second target for buys would be 161,890, targeting this daily resistance formed on Friday. Now going for sells, and what we can see on for sells, we have a candle closing obviously bearish on the daily, but we have this rejection wick on the left. So we're just going to put a line here, and we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see is we have this 4-hour support around 159,520. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, that's the same level of support. On the 30-minute time frame, we have a support around 159,610, and then when you drop down to the 15-minute time frame, we have this 15-minute support. So now we go back to the daily. What we can see is we can have 159,440 as the first target for sells, targeting this 4-hour/1-hour support. Our second target for sells would be, now on the daily, we've got this clean traffic on the left. On the 4-hour time frame, the same thing. On the hourly time frame, and then on the 30-minute time frame, we have this 30-minute support around 159,010, and then dropping down to the 15-minute time frame is the same level of support as well. So the second target for sells would be 158,980, targeting this 30-minute support. targeting the 30-minute support formed on Friday around 158 and 980.